Kepler 18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, it's the same song and dance around here. We got the big upper ridge with all the heat and dry weather across the viewing area. And of course, all this to the west, these are fire weather alerts and wind advisories, also some high wind warnings. Out in Nebraska as the fires continue, and it's right in this zone between the heat with the upper ridge and a lot of cold air with this trough in the west that we got the really strong winds, and even we're getting some severe weather now in Nebraska. This is snow in the west. And we've got freeze warnings down into Arizona. These are winter storm watches and warnings. You see the white here with the upper low, the big trough of the heavy snow falling. Now, this trough will be very slow to move eastward. Now, it will eject one little disturbance and a weak cold front later next week. That may bring us a shower or two, but it's going to be towards October the 20th before the real chunk of this trough moves in to bring some more widespread rainfall to the area and also much cooler weather. In the meantime, it's going to be warm through the evening here. We have had a high so far today here at the station of 85 degrees. The record's 90 set in 1946, 82 at 7, 71 at 9, and with clear skies and not much wind, 61 degrees at 11 o'clock. You know, the pollen was in the low to medium range yesterday. It's there today. It's going to stay in the medium range as we get into Friday and also on Saturday. Pollen's not the huge issue. Again, it's still the mold spore count, but I do expect those mold spore counts to start to drop off a little bit once we get past Saturday, but the dust and particulate matter in the air will still be high. So still some suffering for the allergy sufferers, if you will, across our viewing area. The near record warmth is possible not only to tomorrow, but on Saturday, as highs warm mid to upper 80s, the warm dry pattern will continue and nothing more than a couple showers later next week before a little more widespread rainfall may arrive around October the 20th. 50 tonight in Logansport for the low, 52 Monticello, 49 Burlington, 54 at Pence and 53 in the Lafayette area, and very warm tomorrow. We're talking mid 80s area wide, even upper 80s at Pence and Perrysville, 87 degrees, 86 Lafayette, 85 at Winamac and Medaryville. So we'll kind of pinpoint some of these very small changes as we get into next week. Notice how it stays very warm even into Saturday and Sunday, even Monday, 83. Now the wind will start to pick up next week, so the brush fire danger will start to come up. A cold front will pass next Thursday with just a couple widely scattered showers, not a big deal. And then it gets just a little bit cooler next Friday and Saturday. Notice highs right around 71, but again, nothing too brutally cool. And again, those readings, as you see there, still above normal. 86 Friday, 87 on Saturday, and then we stay in the 80s until we fall the upper 70s Thursday. Just a few widely scattered showers with that front. Nothing big out of that.
Okay, warm temperature.